Hi guys, I'm so glad to announce that my beginners course is finally out, and I'm going to be dropping the link of the course in the description below. And also, the course is on 50% discount sale, so the course is for 30,000 naira, but I'm going to be putting it out for 15,000 naira in a very short time. I think for the month of January, might not even finish January itself. So hurry to get this course. This course is loaded. If you know you have bad foundation in playing piano, or you have no idea totally in playing the board, this course is actually for you. It's going to put you in place and prepare you for being a professional. So hurry right to my description and make your purchase ASAP. God bless you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be looking at the Crazy Gospel Passing Chord series. And okay, so I noticed something in a few of Marvin Sapp songs, and at least I know like two piano players, basic piano players that I admire so much that were on those his old projects. And talking about old projects now, back to Kevin Bond and Ron Lindsay. And I noticed the use of diminished 7th, how important it is when you try to use them as passing chords. And like it's so beautiful. And I think it was God alone. Yes. So instead of doing you are God, do mace for the six. No, said okay, and this is where the idea of passing chord comes in. Instead of just remaining somewhere, do something like run around. Do you understand? So there was a part he did. So now I'm dealing with the diminished part, diminished 7th part, using it as passing chords. So now I want to go to my 6, and instead of going to my 6, now on the key of 6, instead of going to my 6, just like and then remaining in my 6, I want to like walk around again. So now let's look at what we did in this one. So we did so now let me break this down. First thing, one thing about the diminished 7th that I admire a lot is it has a pronounced, like you need to not even just do anything you are doing, even when I was going the time I think I was doing when I was doing, I make sure that you have the melody is so pronounced. So melody is important. So you have so we now find this, what's the new 7th under this, you get the new 7th related to this melody now. So you have, you drop it to another inversion, lower, then so you have six. This is 6. So now let's break this down. First chord, C sharp, E and G, C sharp, E, G and B flat. So the left hand. So now I can want to play this as a full chord, or I can want to play it as a drop 2. So as a drop 2, it sounds like this. For us drop 2, dropping the second highest note. So I'm dropping it. Yeah. So we have second chord, drop 2. So you have next chord, or the second chord is E on your left hand, right? Then B flat, C sharp, E and G. So you're dropping it this here. So it becomes E flat, C sharp and G. So you have, you come back. You get the next chord, drop 2. So F sharp on your left hand, C, E flat and A. Then you drop this same chord for a different version. So you have here you have yeah. Like this. So let's do it again. Same thing even when it goes best in me, you have something like so now let's do this again. So what I do most times is I try not to just stick to it. I can so what I did was same thing. I'm just playing different inversions of them. So I can do same thing. So I try to think of a song. Inside this and see if it works. Sorry. So I'm trying to so far in this depending on where you started from, because I'm having issues where I'm starting from now, or I have it in mind that anywhere I'm going to, I can like first one, you can everything is still same pattern to. You understand? To 6, same thing. So now the reason why I'm trying all this, I'm trying different things now, because I want us to understand how being creative works. So because I taught you this, you now only stick to this. No, try other thing. Try other things, like try to be creative. As I am now, even as I am doing this lesson, I'm still trying to figure out, like trying to think of things. Like, so try to be creative. Nobody is so perfect, you understand? So everyone is also in that part of being creative. So when you find pieces like this, open them up. Diminished 7th is one very, very broad part of piano playing that I know. And you see how it works. It works with drop twos all together, and so basically you can try to do this to resolve to your 6. And if you are smart enough, this one I'm not doing this one. You can still use this to resolve to your 2, but not on the same key. Yes. So that's it for today, guys. See you guys next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell to receive notifications. Please make sure you share, make sure you drop comments, God bless you. Cheers.